During the last, let's say, 15 years, it's been a big improving in the forensic DNA technology. Basically, what we have right now, it's the new generation, next generation sequencing, NGS, and also we have a much more robust and sensitive technology to analyze the fragments in the mitochondrial DNA. So, and besides that, we also have a lot of references to compare. There are many papers published that can give us information about the ethnical and geographical origins of one person. So all of this together make it possible to afford this research, and hopefully we'll be able to get positive results.
And what kind of level of detail can we hope to get from these tests?
Okay, there are different theories about the origin of Columbus. It is not that we think that he was born in Genoa, as most of the scientists and most of the historians think and support. But it is clear that there are some other theories, some of them very consistent as well, with very logical reasoning and a lot of data. And what we try to do is to offer let's say, scientific data, in this particular case, DNA, genetic data that could be interpreted by historians. But depending on the theory, there are what I call closed theories. Those theories, for instance, the one that claiming that he's from Portugal, there are three different theories claiming that he's from Portugal. They have the relatives to compare. So if we could compare and find a match, this would end the problem. And if we compare and there is no match, it means that that particular theory was not correct. So depends on the theory. We could really conclude very clearly about the origins, or there are some other open theories like the Italian one or a couple of them in Spain that they just claim that he's from a particular region. And then, of course, we could generate data, but it's going to be more difficult to conclude clearly that he was from this particular place.
Now, very briefly, what are there other modern practical applications of the technology that you will be using?
Yes, there are many other applications of this technology that we are using. We use that very much in forensic science, in forensic criminalistic, also in forensic anthropology. So this is a technology that is evolving day by day, and we have many data that are already published in many scientific papers around the world. So this is a very interesting technology there to know more about the evolution of the human population and about the, of course, pathologies and many other topics related to medicine. So it will be able to help and support historians, not only historians, but people related to any kind of problems based on genetics. So this is we're just starting. The progress in the next 10 to 15 years will be great ones.